Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Grignard reagents add to carbonyl compounds, ketones and aldehydes to give tertiary or secondary alcohols. The product of a Grignard reaction is determined by the combination of the carbonyl fragment and the carbanion fragment. Specifically, the two carbon groups on the carbonyl carbon plus the Grignard carbon all end up on the same carbon, the new IChO carbon. Step 1. Identify the product of reaction I. The ketone in I has a cyclopropyl group and a 2-methylyl prenyl type CH2CH is equal to CMe group both attached to the carbonyl carbon. MEMGX adds a methyl group to the carbonyl. Product, a tertiary alcohol with substituents, cyclopropyl, CH2CH is equal to CH3, the prenyl type chain, and CH3 all on the carbinol carbon. Step 2. Identify the product of reaction 2. The aldehyde in 2 has the structure CH3 to C is equal to CH, CH2, CH2, CHO, a geranyl citronelyl type aldehyde. The chain from CHO is CH to CH2, CH is equal to C, CH3, to or similar. The Grignard is cyclopropyl-MgX. Addition of cyclopropyl carbanion to the aldehyde carbon gives a secondary alcohol, OCH, cyclopropyl, dash, CH to CH to CH is equal to CMe2 chain. But wait, we must check whether the products of I and 2 match. Step 3. Identify the product of reaction 3. Cyclopropyl methyl ketone reacts with CH3 to C is equal to CH, CH to CH2 in GBr. The Grignard adds to the ketone carbonyl. Product, tertiary alcohol with cyclopropyl, CH3, and CH to CH2 CH is equal to C, CH3, to all on the carbinol carbon. Step 4. Compare products. Reaction, I carbonyl carbon had cyclopropyl plus prenyl type, CH to CH is equal to CMe or CH to CH to CH is equal to CMe2, groups, MEMGX adds CH3 tertiary alcohol, cyclopropyl, CH3, and the alkenyl chain on IChO. Reaction, 3-cyclopropyl methyl ketone, cyclopropyl plus CH3 on carbonyl plus alkenyl Grignard, CH to CH to CH is equal to CMe2, tertiary alcohol, cyclopropyl, CH3, and alkenyl chain on IChO. These are the same tertiary alcohol product. The carbinol carbon bears cyclopropyl, methyl, and the geranyl prenyl chain in both cases. Reaction 2 gives a secondary alcohol from an aldehyde, so its product differs from I and 3. Step 5. Which reactions give the same product? Reactions I and 3 give the same tertiary alcohol. This corresponds to option D, reactions I and 3. Why 2 fails? 2 involves an aldehyde giving a secondary alcohol, structurally different from the tertiary alcohol from I and 3. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.